Canva Free versus Canva Pro. Which suits you, and is Canva Pro worth it? Let's get into it. Spoiler alert, yes, Canva Pro is worth it for most users, but we'll break down who is best suited for Canva's free plan versus the Pro plan. We'll dive into the differences between Canva Free and Canva Pro, and which of these benefits of Canva Pro would warrant an upgrade to a paid subscription, from small business owners to those who use it for work, and why you might benefit from an upgrade. And watch to the end as I'll share the best ways to get the most out of your Canva Pro trial by putting the Canva trial through its paces the smart way, and how to save money on your Canva Pro subscription. If at any time during this video you're ready to jump in and try Canva Pro, grab my 30-day free trial at sociallysorted.com.au/Canva. I'm Donna Moritz, Canva verified expert and certified Canva trainer. Let's dive into Canva's plans. 2 questions can really help you decide if you should upgrade. The first is, do you use Canva for work or business? If so, then Canva Pro is likely the go. But if you ask this question, do you use Canva for play? Then the free plan might be the way. Yes, rhyme intended. The thing is, if you're using Canva for work or business or bigger projects, then Pro will save you loads of time and help you up-level your visual content. I'll walk you through many of the benefits you get with Canva Pro, including some of these that you see on the screen, from background remover to brand system tools, and of course, more storage and export options. But first, let's look at a direct comparison of the main feature differences between Canva Pro and Canva Free. On the free plan, you get access to 1.6 million templates at the time of this recording, but on Pro, it's 2 million templates more, the whole template library. For elements, photos, video, audio, and graphics, you get access to almost 5 million in Canva Free and almost 150 million in Canva Pro. That's a lot of choice. In Canva Free, you get 1 brand kit, but it's not a full brand kit. It's 3 colors only. In Canva Pro, you get 5 full brand kits with the ability to add your logos, fonts, and full unlimited color palettes, and you can upload your own licensed brand fonts. And in Canva Pro, you can create brand templates or custom reusable brand components, which you can't do in Canva Free. You can't access tools like background remover, magic resize, and magic arrays in Canva Free, but you can in Canva Pro. These tools and many, many more Magic Studio AI tools are available in Canva Pro. When it comes to AI creation, tools like Canva AI, Magic Write, photo and video animations, AI voice, Canva Free has very limited access, whereas Canva Pro gives you more credits to use these tools. Storage in Canva Free is 5 gigabytes and storage in Canva Pro is 100 gigabytes. You get basic export formats like PNG, JPEG and PDF in Canva Free, but more print quality formats like Print PDF and CMYK in Canva Pro. And lastly, in Canva Pro, you get access to a social content planner, which you don't get in Canva Free. Look, Canva Free is a great start, and for many people it might be all you ever need. And I love Canva's commitment to making it free in every corner of the world. If you're doing the odd project, starting out as a content creator, need to create invitations or visual content for daily life, you still get access to thousands of element and template options. However, if you're frustrated by some of these things, then maybe you might want to consider checking out Canva Pro. You can't access elements or graphics or templates that are pro or not on your plan. You need to use background remover or be able to resize designs. Maybe you want to use assets for commercial use or business projects. You need a brand kit to be able to continually start to create for those business projects. And you're running out of storage, or perhaps you need higher quality printing options. Let's dive into some of the benefits of Canva Pro that I see most of my community take advantage of. I'll break them down into my favorite 5 categories, and then I'll show you some ways you can get the most out of your Canva Pro trial, both how to put the trial through its paces and in terms of how to save money. Use the link on the screen or in the description to add Canva Pro to your account so that you're ready to go when I show you some of the things that you should test out while you're on the free trial. The first is obviously premium Canva content. With every element and template in Canva's library at your fingertips, you can create something that stands out, and there's no more staring at the crown icon wishing you could use that element or photo or template you really love. Advanced brand system tools is close to my heart as I train many teams who use Canva. Canva's brand tools are at the heart of it, and starting with the brand kit and especially brand templates and brand controls, this is where Canva really starts to become your superpower for work or business. Then, of course, the Canva Magic AI tools. But these tools aren't just AI fluff or slop. They're actually tools that do practical tasks that matter and help you create content, like background remover, background generator, and style match. Canva Video brings pro quality tools to help you create visual content that catches attention. Canva's video editor is available on the free plan, but these tools and premium video templates take your video to the next level. And lastly, to elevate it all, tools that let you design at scale with Canva Pro. From the social content planner to Magic Studio at scale with Canva Sheets to Magic Resize and Canva Grow for ads. Even small business owners can create like an agency. So let's show you some ways to get the most out of your Canva Pro trial, both how you can put the trial through its paces and in terms of how to save money. If you're using Canva Pro, you will want to do this first. Set up your brand kit. It takes just a few minutes to set up a basic brand kit, but will save you hours in time using Canva Pro. And you really want to have this in place before you start your trial to get the most out of it. For this demo, I'll use my fun fake brand, Pizza & Co, to take the Canva Pro free trial for a spin. Obviously, you can do this for your own brand, project, business, or side gig, following the example for your own brand assets. Start on the home page, go to brand, and then use the drop down to add a new or create a new brand kit. You can add a brand kit for your business or a project, add your brand elements using Canva AI by uploading your brand guidelines, or drag and drop your logos, add hex codes, color palettes, and color themes for your brand. Add your brand fonts from Canva's library or upload any licensed fonts. You can also add your brand voice so that Canva AI can pull it into projects and keep everything on brand. You can upload photos or even add them into folders to keep them organized. You can also add custom asset categories. So in this case, we're going to add stickers so that we can add our custom stickers for Pizza & Co. This really allows you to customize your brand kit however you like. Once you have your brand kit set up, you can do so many more things. While you have Canva Pro on the trial, put it through its paces with a small project. Use that project to test pro features as much as possible. Maybe you do a small campaign or some social posts, or in this case, we're going to do an Instagram promo post for our feed. And be sure to search for some pro elements and assets while you do the project so you can see what's possible with Canva Pro on the trial. Another great thing to do during your 30-day trial is to test out some Magic AI features, those features you've been dreaming of using while on the free account but can't access. A big one for me is background remover, so I would definitely use that a lot on the free trial. It's great for adding layers when you're creating different designs, in this case, our promotional pizza post. Another thing to notice is how your brand kit you've set up pulls in your brand fonts really easily from anywhere that you're working in Canva. This is a huge advantage to having the brand kit on Canva Pro. As you can see, I can easily add my brand fonts and keep everything on brand. The other cool thing is that it also allows you to access your brand colors really easily because you've set up your brand kit. You can see this makes designing so much easier when you're on Canva Pro, so definitely try this out while you're on the free trial. And also, here are some of the other Magic Studio tools you might want to play with while you're testing Canva Pro, including Magic Eraser, Background Generator, and converting images to video. There's so much to play with. As you can see, there's a lot you can test out during the 30 days that you have Canva Pro in your pocket, but we're not done yet with our project. Another 2 features to try in Canva Pro on your trial is Magic Resize and Magic Translate. Magic Resize is a pro feature you'll use a lot if you're doing multiple document types. In this case, I'll resize to a mobile video. Once I change to the new document type, it won't take a moment and Canva will do all the grunt work to switch everything over into a real format. In this case, I don't have to make many changes. Usually the resize is pretty good. You might have to make a couple of tweaks, but most of the grunt work is done by Canva. If you work across multiple languages in your business, then definitely check out Magic Translate. It's a pro feature you can take for a spin on your trial, and it allows you to convert any document into another language with a couple of clicks. In this case, let's go with Italian for the pizza theme, and you can see it immediately translates this into an Italian version. I can do a few edits, make sure everything's correct, obviously check that it's correct translation, and we're good to go. I hope this gives you some ideas for your Canva Pro free trial. As you can see, there's lots of things you can test in the 30 days, including maybe downloading in a pro format like print PDF or CMYK, maybe take the social content planner for a spin, and trying more Magic Studio tools. You could also experiment with converting your templates to brand templates and really playing more with what you can get out of using the brand kit, because again, I think this is one of the most important things that you can do in Canva. Set up your brand kit and then leverage it, and you'll see just how much time it saves you. And a final tip, at the end of your free trial, Canva will remind you that your subscription is due for the first payment. If you don't want to continue, cancel your trial in the settings before 30 days is up. But if you love Canva Pro, then I highly recommend signing up for an annual plan if you can. Why? Because currently it's a difference of over $70 a year between paying monthly and paying annually, which is a huge saving. Canva Pro prices may vary from the time of this recording, but currently they're approximately $18 US per month and $144 per year, which is a saving of $72 annually. Just note that this may vary depending on where you are in the world and your exchange rate and your locality, but you'll always save on an annual plan. So if your savings or your budget can stretch to an annual subscription, definitely take advantage of it. So is Canva Pro worth it? Hopefully this comparison of Canva Free versus Canva Pro has helped you to see if Canva Pro is worth it for you, or at least worth you taking some time to take Canva Pro for a spin on the free trial. And remember, when you do some of these things to test out Canva Pro properly, you'll be able to see if it really will help you with your business, work, or project. And if you need more ideas for what to test, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me create more content for you. And be sure to check out the next video on the screen for leveraging Canva in your business. Stay creative.